simple change when filling out your FAFSA to cut your EFC and SAI in half so you can pay for your kids' college with.
Yo. What's up, y'all? What's up, Creative? What's up, KB? What's up with y'all boys? Morning. Let's see if we could get a trade tonight, bro, because I missed out on trades last night, bro. And let me know if the music's too loud or if it's echoing like you hear it twice. Let me know. Should be good, though. How y'all doing? Shit, I'm chilling. Let me turn it down a little bit though. Oh, the camera facing the wrong way. Eclipse. There we go. Turn the camera a little bit. Turn it on. Let's see. So the UJ position I had yesterday never got triggered, so I ended up deleting that sell stop when I woke up. Price was just pushing up higher and higher. Ended up deleting that sell stop and never got triggered. Let's redo all my analysis actually. We're gonna redo them all. Redo them all. Actually, I'm keeping this one. I'm keeping GU. Like that. I'm keeping AU as well. This is still valid because price is in the same range it was last time. And GJ. We could redo GJ as well. Start off on gold though. What should we look at first? Gold? I think we should look at gold first. Daily time frame. Still bearish in the daily pullback. Bearish below this level, so same level as before. Even though we are crossing over the 50 EMA, technically we're still in bearish structure. Alright, so we're gonna do daily sales. 4 hour. Go to 4 hour. We're now bullish on the 4 hour because this is the area that we had yesterday. And the price is broken above that area. So now we're technically still bullish. Now we're technically bullish. Now we have these low lows and highs. Push up. It's the new structure. This is the push that created that higher high. So daily is now bullish. 4 hours now bullish while the daily is bearish. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Look at the 1 hour time frame. We are bullish as well on the 1 hour. I want to see our 1 hour structure would be. I mean, technically this right here. Technically, this low here. 1 hour bars above. But if we're looking, we are coming down to retest this previous 4 hour low. Higher low. Here for potential trade off here. For this break of this 4 hour market structure shift. price coming down to retest, so we could potentially take some buys here. This is the top of the range. This is the top of that range. Let's drop down to the lower time frame. So I want to see if we have structure on this retest. Just look on this retest. We do have clear structure. We were bullish here. Price pushed down, took out this low, creating a bear structure on the 5-minute time frame. Also going under the 50 EMA. Then we have these lower lows, these lower highs. This is our damn. Get off the tool, bitch. Creating these lower lows and lower highs. This is our 5-minute structure. So right now, technically, my buy would be here. I don't want to buy this deep in the range. I want to buy down here. Cause I want to just be able to catch this little bit of move, this little 40 pips, and then have a fucking 80 pips top loss. Like that's too late, right? So I'm gonna buy down here. In order for me to buy down here, I need to see price create a lower high, re-break this low. Then that will give me a better entry for this position. So we do have some potential buys here loading up on gold. So that's what I need to see on a 5-minute time frame. So we're going to label this market structure shift. I'm going to label this 5 minutes. Structure shift, top text, 5 minutes. Alright, so there we go. Now buying gold is technically counter trend to the daily, but it is pro trend to the 4-hour for the simple fact that the 4-hour had this shifting structure here, breaking above this previous 4-hour lower high. We broke above this, and then price is coming back down to retest it. So I'm anticipating we get a reaction off of here for price to fill in the rest of this range. And as you can see, this current range on low time frame also lines up with this 4-hour higher low here, lower high here. If we don't get a trade down here and price just rips up without us, right, that is totally fine. My next trade idea for these buys will be above here. And for selling, I don't want to sell at all until, I guess I can sell with this clear retest here. Actually, I can sell below this level. Selling below this level will be the 1-hour being transitioned into bearish structure. So this will be a 1-hour market structure shift below this level. Also, the daily time frame is technically still bearish, but it'll be counter trend to the 4-hour. So this is like a B plus setup for the sells and like a B plus for the buys as well, to be honest. It's like even. Because if I buy above this level or buy this area, right, technically we still have 2 time frames bullish and 1 time frame bearish. If I sell below this level, we technically have 2 time frame bearish and 1 time frame bullish. So it's really even. But these are, I wouldn't say these are A plus setups. These are more of a B rated setup. That's what I think about gold. Have y'all taken any trades so far? Let's look at UJ. Daily time frame UJ technically still bullish. Bullish above this level down here. So daily buys above. 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour. A 4-hour structure level is here. 4-hour buys, as you can see, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. Price in between this high and in between this low. So technically anything in here is considered premium price. I mean discounted price because this is buys. So this is our 4-hour level. So actually mark this off. Boom. And we have the top of the range here. Boom. Get down to the 1-hour time frame. Look at our 1-hour time frame. We had this 1-hour shifting structure here, where we decided to go bearish. Market structure shift with a 1-hour time frame. Looking at this bearish structure, we have lower low, lower. Wait, start all over. Lower low, lower high. lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then that created this 1 hour bullish structure shift. So now look at the bullish structure here. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then went back bearish here. You're looking at this bear structure. So on and so forth. Then we go back bullish here. Look at the bullish structure. We have higher high, higher low, higher high. So technically that 1 hour is still bullish above this area. So label this 1 hour buys. We can delete all of this. Don't need to clutter my chart too much. So 1 hour technically still bullish above this area. I want to see how this area holds as a level. So we're going to do highest body to lowest wick. Highest body close to lowest wick. Extend left. See how the rejection we have in this area. So we had some nice rejections in this area. Price failed to close above here. Then price eventually did give that breakout retest for continuation. So I do like this level. Do I want to sell below here? No. What was our daily time frame again? I forgot. So this time frame is definitely bullish. So no, I don't want to be looking to sell below here. I want to sell for 4 hour structure shift, which will be below here. So anytime I look to take sells, anything else would be definitely too risky and too counter trend because all the other time frames are telling me buys. If I execute on these sells below here, we do have a target here for potential. Let's extend this left to see how more rejections we have. More rejections here, or we can look at this lower time frame level. Either one, but one of these is going to get rejected, most likely. But we're just gonna leave the bottom one, but fuck that one. We're gonna worry about this one. The middle of this level, we have this level here. That's for sell side. And on the buy side, I don't want to buy in this range at all. This overall range is definitely consolidation. Inside the consolidation, we do have structure, but the overall range itself is consolidation. In order for me to buy, I need to break out of this consolidation, and that would be above here. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. So this is not the best setup, and for the sells, it's pretty clean. Cause the sells, this would be selling. This will be the selling. Also selling this left shoulder here, right shoulder break and retest for a reversal. So that's pro. That's like a good sell opportunity there. As far as the buy side, I don't really like to buy so much. Even though all other time frames are bullish, I feel like we need a deeper pullback than this. Like this is a very aggressive buy on the daily time frame. The daily time frame does need a correction. We had this structure shift that goes bullish, but we need some kind of balance here, I think. Then above this level, we have these to target here. Oh, look how this lines up. Perfect. So we'll be breaking above a daily level as well, buying above this area. Then we could look to target these wicks here. Either that or look at this 4 hour and look at these wicks here. Actually, we could just do these for targets. And those all of the liquidity sitting above this area. So not this one because this one already got tapped. So we just focus on these for targets. Took an L, but it's okay. What you take an L on? Send a chart in the Discord. Let me review it. So I'm gonna put this at the bottom somewhat because it's not the best trade, but I could see this playing out. I don't even think this is gonna happen today though. This might be like a next week kind of trade for the buys and the sells. This might not happen to next week for both opportunities. This same thing with GU. I need to pull back here on GU. And we have aggressive sell-off that took out this low here. Very, very aggressive. Missed the trade yesterday, but it's all good. Waiting for a new opportunity. Our new opportunity will be a correction of this overall bearish push. This fib play should line up nicely. Yes, this fib 618 on the fib also lines up with a major key level of resistance in this case, which is the previous low. So in order for me to execute on GU, I'm keeping this same analysis that I had yesterday. Just need price to pull back here. And this is not happening until next week either. Like, no way this is happening today. So we can put this at the bottom. This opportunity not happening until next week either to put this at the bottom. Like, the market is trash to trade today, to be honest. DJ, where you in? Buys or sells? Look at GJ. So it might be like a GJ or a gold type of day. Anything else? Everything else looks like it's not happening today type deal. So look at GJ. Daily overall bullish above this level, so we might have a structure shift here on GJ to go bearish. That's interesting. Daily buys above. Let's look at the 4-hour structure. Our 4-hour already had our structure shift here. This was our most recent higher low. This higher low did get taken out, shifted into bearish structure. We're gonna do a structure shift. 4-hour here. Look at the 4-hour level. We have lower low, lower high, lower low. So daily 4-hour is bearish below this high here. 4-hour sells. The 1-hour time frame. But on the 1-hour time frame, we had lows printing out here. Had a structure shift going bullish. Inside this bullish structure shift, we have higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Then we had another structure shift going back bearish. This was a nice entry to sell and confirm with the higher time frames being bearish. Selling here. I think this was yesterday as well. Yeah, this was Thursday. That was the Thursday position that somebody in the Discord caught. Cream caught this sell here. This is where we went bearish on the 1-hour. The 1-hour technically still bearish. This 4-hour level lines up with the 1-hour level. The reason why is because we had an aggressive sell-off with no decent size retracement. So this is the start of the push that created that aggressiveness that created that 1-hour market structure shift. So this 4-hour level lines up with the 1-hour as well. 4-hour/1 hour. If I want to take buys, I have to take buys above this 4-hour and 1-hour level. Meaning I'll have both of them time frames in confluence with my overall direction to buy the market above this area. Other than that, taking sells. If I take sells, I have price has to give me a pullback into this previous low area to take a trend continuation to the downside. Yeah, then trading this, we can look to target this low down here. Very, very, very simple. But can this all happen today though? Like, can I get this pullback today and the sell off today? Like, probably not. This might be next week trying to trade. Like, the only thing that look tradable today is gold, to be honest. I went into buys, redid my whole chart, but had traded in Asian session, misread Forex Factory Day. LOL. Oh, it happens sometimes, but I try not to trade Asian session. The reason why I don't trade Asian session, because for one, if you know your main session is London session, you don't want to take a loss outside of your session, and then when it comes to your session, the trade you do take is getting you out of drawdown. You just avoided the trading that session in the first place. That trade that you do take during your session and actually win, it'll be profit and not a crawling out of drawdown. That's for one. For two, reason why I don't trade Asian session is I want to trade until the daily candlestick close. So knowing that the daily candlestick close at 5 p.m., anything after 12ish will probably just be a retracement of the daily candle. If the daily candle has no bottom wick, well, has say the daily candlestick is still open, but it looks like this, right? And it's still open here. There's no bottom wick yet. Still open as bearish, right? Selling here will be risky because this daily candlestick is going to leave a wick when it closes. So you selling here could get you stopped out, but buying here could get you stopped out as well, because it could push down even further and then create the wick down here instead of just the wick right here, right? So that's what I think about when it comes to trading Asian. Like, I don't want to trade until the daily candlestick close. Then I don't want to trade when the new daily candlestick first open either. So like after 5 p.m. when it comes to like 6, 7, 8. I don't want to trade within the first 3 hours of that daily candlestick because the daily candlestick is probably going to be looking like this with no clear direction, right? So I want to be too early on that daily candle. That's why I personally avoid trading Asian. Only thing that looks tradable today is gold. We have a push down credit equal lows. Do I want to buy here though? Like I feel like I want to full sweep the low first. Let's look at. Yeah, maybe we still below the 50 EMA. I want to full sweep the low first. Look at the 1 minute. Cause you're looking on the 1 minute. See if we get a 1 minute entry. We were going bullish here in the 1 minute. We have this higher high, higher low, higher high. Price took out this low. Now we're creating a lower low. And potential lower high for new lower low. So yeah, I want to see a deeper retracement into this full sweep in this low. That'll be more ideal. It's actually something I didn't think about. And what sizes are your prop accounts? I have 2 prop accounts, 50K and a 5K. I'm thinking about a 10K account from Alpha Traders. There's nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to buying challenges, whatever, I don't know what your overall results look like with your history of trading. When it comes to buying challenges, whatever, I don't recommend anyone buy a challenge until you know you can pass the challenge yourself. So until you deposit money in your own personal live account, it don't gotta be 5K or 10K. It could just be 50. It could just be 500. In between 500, in between $200 and $500. I think for like a starting account, just try to make $50 on a $500 account, or try to make $20 on a $200 account. That's basically just 10%. You could do that on your own with a smaller account, like a $200 account or $500 account. That'll build you the confidence, let you know that you can make the 10% on the challenge and pass the challenge to actually get the funding. But if you just risk 10% and make that 10% in the first trade on your $20 account, on a $200 account, that won't directly correlate into the challenge because you over leverage that to make that, right? When it comes to trading the funded, over leveraging will get you clapped up. But that's just my personal opinion though. So in order for me to take sales, I need this low to get rebroke first, and then I'm in. If it just goes without me, bro, fuck it. But I don't want to take a loss on Friday, bro. Like, I don't want to take a necessary loss on Friday. I want to buy while we're still trading under the 50 EMA as well. So if the EMA was down here a little bit more down here, then I'll be more open to taking this buy here. But I don't want to buy into the 50 EMA. Then we get this EMA rejection, put me a little bit in profit, then taking a loss here. So as we take out this low, that'll make this 50 EMA come even lower, balancing this range out. Then I can take a buy to break out of this lower time frame range here. Then I can stop loss below the range and look for TP1 here, and then a further TP1 higher in price somewhere. And if not, then New York session we have some potential sells below here. What you looking at tonight, KB? This song low-key kind of slap. But I'll take one trade this morning, just chilling at the moment, watching price. Okay, I got you. Alright, so look like we're taking out this low here. Nice. Did we actually break it though? Like, I wanna just rip through it, bro. No, not quite. Came close though. This is the low I'm watching here. Let me put an alert here. If we take out this low, I'm gonna set a buy stop at to break this high. I like the look of EJ buys counter trend, but watching for retracement. Oh, I forgot all about EJ. I haven't traded EJ in so long. Let's see what EJ looking like. Wait, when did I do this markup? Bro, when did I do this? November? I got clapped here, huh? Or did I hit TP1 and go break even? I don't know. But look, I don't even know when I did this markup. But look how well my levels are respected, bro. That's crazy. I feel like I don't even got to. I feel like I don't even have to do a breakdown. All my levels look so clean. They all got respected and shit. I don't know if I got fucked up here or not though. Did I get fucked up back here? So this is the breakout. This is the retest. Let's look about 5 minutes.
Favorite TV shows are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
I am trying to protect the Imperium
for providing them the one thing.
Enter all the way over here. This is it. Let's look at this stop loss.
You're not trying to help me, Doctor. You're worried I may become sane.
Get max,
75 pip stop loss.
MGM Plus, and
Oh, so TP1 definitely got hit here.
find your favorite
This is easy 1-to-1.
on YouTube.
Selling from this point, 1-to-1. That's easy. Then break even. Let's do a quick little breakdown though. I'm gonna keep them same levels. I like those levels. Oh, I like all those levels right there. Daily go bullish. Let's change this. Daily is bullish above this area though. Daily bullish above this area. 4 hour. 4 hour just went bearish. Bearish below this area. 4 hour sells. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is bearish below this area as well. But we had aggressive push down. Possibly sell in this area. Let's not look at this area. Let's focus on this one here. This is a previous high and a previous low. And previous low here. Also trading off of this left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break and retest. Very simple. So if I was to trade EJ, it would be off of this area here. As far as buys, they'll be above here. That looks pretty clean. Okay, yeah. So you know, see, I like the fact that you know that the buy is counter trend, and you notice that. It's important to notice when you're taking a counter trend trade instead of you getting a trend wrong and then you're taking a full loss. When I take counter trend trades, though, I like to scale down my risk, like 0.5% or so when it's counter trend trade, just because it's a little bit less probable, but still could play out. Only thing putting me off is 1 hour candle, no bottom wick. Yeah, next time I have no bottom wick, no top wick candle in a 4 hour row, I'm still taking that shit. Cause that shit pissed me off, bro. Cause literally, only reason why I didn't take this break and retest sales right here is because this candlestick right here had no bottom wick. But if I'd have just took the retest, like this retest candle right here, on this lower time frame, the lower time frame, this was the retest. The retest was so perfect, bro. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Enter off of this structure shift. Sell, stop loss above the highs. Boom. The shit actually played out. Only reason why I didn't take it though, and I put it at the bottom of my watch list, only because this fucking 4 hour candle right here. This 4 hour candle right here had no top weight. But next time, I'm taking that bitch. Fuck it. I literally said, bro, this sales looks so clean. I would consider this an A+ setup yesterday. I said, only reason I'm not going to say it's A+ is because the 4 hour had no top wick. I said, so I'm going to put this at the bottom of my watch list to get off my chart so I don't FOMO into it. Then I look back at that shit. When I woke up, I said, oh, that bitch was bleeding, bro. I should have took that out. What are the main pairs you trade? So all the pairs here are the main pairs I trade, and I rank them in order from my top 3, and then I focus on top 3 for the day. So like, see how I did a breakdown of all of these? So I do a breakdown of all of them, and then whatever ones I see that's closest to my potential AOE or area of execution, or whatever ones look like the highest probable to actually play out after I take a position there, I put those at the top and all the other ones at the bottom. I just focus on the ones at the top. But I trade gold, GJ, AU, GU, and UJ. Then I rank my pairs after I break them down. I do a rank. I rank them in order from which for what I think is highest probable, and also closest to my area of execution. So whenever I don't like that much, I put at the bottom, or something that I see like it's gonna take a long time to get to there, to get to my area, I put it at the bottom. Like for this is UJ. If I want to sell below here and buy above here, with prices right here, this a long away from price. So it's something that is not going to happen this session. So I put it at the bottom. That way I don't keep clicking on it. Same thing here. I want to sell here. This is very far away from price. It's like a next week kind of setup. So I just put it at the bottom and just wait. The AUSD trading at New York session. I traded London as well. Don't really matter to me. London or New York. Cause so you notice I use like stop limits, well pending orders. So I use a lot of buy stops and sell stops. So I will set it whenever it gets triggered. It gets triggered. Whether it's London or New York session. Either one works for me though. So we started the range here. The more we range it here, the closer this EMA is getting to price. So I like that. I like the fact that we started. Price came aggressively down to this area. The aggression started to slow down once we tapped into this area, showing us a rejection. This rejection here on the higher time frames, or the slowdown in volume, could give me a reversal to take price higher. I like that. I like the way it's playing out right now. I wouldn't just get an immediate push up, have a slowdown, then reversal. I'm liking that. No cap. How big would the stop loss be though? I'm about to break this high here. The stop loss would be about 50 pips. What a 50 pip stop in TP1, or my first target be about 90 pips, almost a 1 to 2, 1 to 1.8. 1 to 1 would be still within inside the range, very obtainable. 1 to 1 would be this previous high up here, which is very, very, very obtainable. Yeah, I like this range to trade. I could trade this range. But above this target, we have definitely clean ranges to fill. These candles above here are so easy. Like if we break this trade could just run. Then if we look, we have clean candles all the way to this next level of resistance. Let's drag this level more left to see if we got more rejections here. Rejection here and rejection here as well. So taking buys down here could potentially run for a 170 pips if we could clear this level. That's what I'm thinking. Look at a 1 minute time frame again. Look at our 1 minute structure. So we haven't had a structure shift in 1 minute yet. Well, yes, we did. Well, this is a fake out. This push out was a definitely fake out. Well, technically, we created this low, lower high, lower low. Yeah, this was a fake out. So good thing I didn't use the 1 minute. If I'd used the 1 minute, I would have been in buys. After this low got taken out here, this lower high would execute me on the buys. Then I would have got taken out because my style would have been low here, but I would have been in drawdown though. So good thing I didn't use the 1 minute here. Good thing I stuck to the 5 minute. A lot of liquidity at the bottom. Yeah, because you got a lot of orders here. People that bought here have stops down here. People that bought here got stops down here. True. But I'm definitely about to buy here. Because not only is there liquidity at the bottom, it is liquidity at the top. Meaning this is some extra liquidity for the sellers. Some liquidity up here for the sellers as well. We already took out buy side liquidity. We took out buy side liquidity here, and we took out buy side liquidity here, and we took out buy side liquidity here. Our next buy side liquidity is down here. So is price going to take out all the liquidity? Don't know. But we have some sell side liquidity sitting here and here. And if we re-break this low, we have some liquidity sitting here. Wait, we had news at 10, right? Yeah, 10 a.m. Yeah. What's the XRP doing? Fucking Bitcoin look like gold. What the fuck? Bitcoin look just like gold, bro. I'm gonna go get a haircut next week. Next week. Not weekend. Next week. I gotta do it on a weekday. Barbershops be too crowded on the weekend, bro. I can't go to barbershop on the weekend. I gotta get my shit cut on like a fucking Monday or a Wednesday, like in the middle of the week, where I know nobody in that bitch. Does that strategy work in crypto? I don't know about crypto trading, but when it comes to crypto holding, yes. Like long-term holding. I got XR. I bought XRP with this same strategy at 70 cents all the way down here. Oh, down here at this structure, at this breakout up here, this break and retest. I got XRP down here, Then I bought XRP again at 120. Started to see just buyers, sellers in control. I waited till we have a structure shift around 120. Where was it? Oh, here we go. It was over here. It was over here. Got a structure shift up here. I bought crypto. I bought XRP again here, and then I had a buy limit set at $2. Once price came all the way up here, I set a buy limit at $2 because this was a very aggressive breakout with no retest whatsoever. I had a buy limit set here, and I got wicked in here and here. Got wicked twice. So I set 2 buy limits. All right, here we go. Yes, sir. So now that we took out this low, we're gonna set a buy stop here. Buy stop at the break of this high, stop loss below the lows, and target the top of resistance. Easy. Easy. Oh wait, let me do my buy stop a little bit higher in price. Last time I got wicked in too early. Got wicked in too early, so we're gonna go a little higher than this wick. We can go like right here. Last time I got triggered too early, and that shit pissed me off. Let's go to trade locker. What's this? Gold pending entry. Peace. Stop loss. How big was the stop loss? About 54 pips. We're gonna run out to 55 just because. Copy. Peace. We have a TP at the break of. At the top of this resistance. We're gonna risk a full 1% here, and set the buy stop. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. Oh, why the music out there? Let's put it on a chart so nobody thinks I'm already in the trade. I'm in drawdown. Buy, stop, not. Let's see how this entry will look on the higher time frames as well. So on the higher time frames, based off of the 1 hour candle, if this trade executes me in within the next 22 minutes, this will be a 1 hour flipping bullish. Also, previous 1 hour candle has no top wick. Go on 4 hour candle. This will be a 4 hour. We have a big bottom wick, showing strong rejection on the 4 hour to go higher. That's what I'm thinking. So mainly this 1 hour flipping though. If this trade executes me in the next 22 minutes and this 1 hour flips bullish and closes bullish in profit, we definitely should respect this low. And we could trail this market structure shift to this level, because this is our new market structure shift. If price decides to come up, creating the lower high, then re-break this low again, I'm just going to trail my entry from here to here. Just give me a better entry with a better R to R. So I wouldn't be mad at it, to be honest. Then the RF EMA will be coming closer to price as well. As price create this lower high. Lower high, then a re-break low, make a new low. So EMA is still going to be coming down, down, down. Do you do one-on-ones? Not anymore. I used to, not anymore though. I'm gonna get back into it, but I've been kind of busy right now. This song low-key smacking. I'm thinking about bringing one-on-ones back in the summertime. I have a little more free time.
What if YouTube had its own YouTube channel? Guess what? It does. It's a celebration of creators and all things YouTube. Like this, and this, and this. Discover even more YouTube at youtube.com/YouTube.
Do you have a 9 to 5 or is trading your source of income? I have 9 to 5 as well. I have 9 to 5 as well. Trading was my primary source of income at first, but then I got arrested and a part of my I got locked up and I went to prison and shit. But so when I bailed out and I bailed myself out, part of my probation is I gotta be productive in society, they say. So it forced me to get 9 to 5. Contribute to society. This one low-key smack too. Why this playlist low-key hard? I don't know what the fuck they saying though. Let's delete this arrow. This arrow looking throw me off. Double the bread, nothing wrong with it. That's what I was planning to do. Same, I did truck graveyard once. Yeah, better might go back to it and trade. Yeah, it's more, technically more money, but I don't really care. I'd rather have more time than money, bro. To be honest, too much time. Companies take too much time from you, bro. Like for real. Too much time. I'd rather just chill. You know what I'm saying? If I never got locked up and went to prison, bro, I probably wouldn't even be working right now, to be honest. But that shit was a setback. I ain't gonna lie. I did some dumbass shit. But I think I'm about to get off probation though. I get off probation this year, so. Yeah, I get you. I see you play Black Ops 6. Oh, hell yeah. I'm comping Black Ops 6. How you see that, though? Nah, for real. Probation ass as fuck, bro. It ain't as bad as house arrest, but probation still has though. And them lawyer fees and them court fees, bro, them motherfuckers add up for real, for real. I'm still paying court fees right now, to be honest. What are the trades in Luca chat told y'all play Black Ops 6? Like, huh? You play Call of Duty or what? E Diamond? Oh yeah, you play COD. You know what's up. I'm iridescent though. Wanna see some clips? You said something about getting in trade while on wagers. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll play some CMGs, bruh. I'll be playing CMGs and shit. I was with one of my homeboy right here. I was smacking this nigga up.
That's the gang, bitch, you know this shit. Bloodhound, that's the gang, bitch, you know this shit.
Shit on.
Ooh. Okay.
He's getting
Alright,
fucking
bro, I
smacked
can't even
around.
see you on my
He's
screen,
getting
bro.
smacked
How
around.
the fuck did you kill me?
He's
How did
getting
you
smacked
kill me
around.
before I even seen you on my screen, bro? Okay, now you're just creeping.
Nah, stop. I noticed how people are stop, bro. Chill.
You're a fucking nerd.
Get with a backward slide.
Got the fucking blind.
Oh my god.
Alright, bro. Shoot a body now? Stay back.
Hurt so bad. Let me in.
No, I
He's
was
quiet now.
I was
He's
slamming the
quiet.
fuck out of this nigga, bro. Jack and KSV are nasty now. No cap. I think the KSV better than Jackal though. I was mad as fuck in this, bro. I got mad as fuck this game.
Pick up wolf, I can get his fuck time. See, he got his fucking kill him. What a fucking stun.
I think my teammate stunned me right there, to be honest. In this game, I was already Crimson Rank. I'm already Crimson Rank in this game. You gonna see at the end. I slammed that kid.
One more.
Alright, look, okay, you seen I'm Crimson when I pull up the menu?
Bro.
Look at my fucking teammate.
I see now with a fucking.
I'm Crimson already. I'm 36 and 19. I have a teammate running a fucking C9 with a red dot, bro. How is he Crimson running a C9 with a red dot?
No wonder you so fucking shit. How are you Crim, bro? You gonna see now with a fucking red dot. Look at my teammates, bro. 28, 24, 25, and 27, 23, and 22. They're like, my teammates is just so fucking bad. This dude's using a C9 with a red dot. I can't get over that.
That shit pissed me
fucking
off.
way.
As soon as I see the C9 with a fucking red dot, I got mad as fuck, bro. Come on, exit full screen, bitch. Bro. Exit page, bro. Fuck you. Bro, did my stream just crash, bro? Bro, did my stream just crash, bro? Or are we still here? Or are we still here? Alright, look at the 5 minute still. Just keep the buy stop. I'm gonna have to adjust the stop loss though. Cause stop loss has to be below the low. So however far we push down, I gotta keep adjusting stop loss, to be honest. Alright, bet, I got you. Did I say sells below here? Did I? Oh yeah, I did. Alright, so let's put this closer to price. Because if we don't get triggered in this buy stop and price starts to drop down even further with an hourly close below, give me this hourly structure shift. Right? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Technically, this is a shift in structure on the hourly time frame. We can look to take some sells down here. No, not yet. Not yet. In order for me to drop the buy stop lower, we have to create a lower high and then re-break a lows. So technically, we didn't create a lower high yet. We will make some short-term ones like this, but I don't really like these for internal structure. I feel like it's too low. Not necessarily it's too low. Okay, let's redo that because technically I shouldn't even mark that up. This is the start of the push, so we have this low, then this high. Then what took out this low was this new low. This new low lower than this low, then this lower high. But I don't. This is only a 2 candle retracement. I don't like that retracement. See how this is like more structured, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, like showing a clear, clean and clear pullback. This pullback is like too fast for me. I don't really want to get triggered on this level. I'd rather just still get triggered up here. But if we don't get triggered and price, if I get like an hourly close, if this hourly candle close below down here, I'm gonna delete the buy stop entirely and look for sales. Because if this hourly close below, that means our hourly time frame is no longer bullish because we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. This hourly close below, we're no longer bullish. We transition into bearish structure, so I don't even try to buy on the 1 hour being bearish. So our new bear structure would be like this on the hourly time frame. So I'll be interested in taking sells here rather than buys, but it's only if this hourly closes below. Let's go back to the 5 minute. So if it just rips up right now and triggers me in, my stop loss was 55 pips here, but I have to adjust my stop loss below this low, because it could come to the 55 pip stop loss, respect this low, and continue higher, stopping me out and then run into my TP, which would be unfortunate. So in order for me to have my stop loss and the place to invalidate structure, it has to be below this low. That's if we get triggered in on this push here though. So we can go from 66 to about, we're gonna round it to 70. And then this is still within our 1-to-1 area, so it's not a negative risk to reward, but if we can clear this level, then we have a potential risk to reward for 1 to 2.3. So I gotta adjust this stop loss on my pending order. Copy, paste. Oh, there we go. Nah, wait. Want to see this clip right here? This clip is so tough. Where is it? Where is it? Here we go. I think I was like diamond ranking this at this time.
Push back. 3 mid, bro.
You got an AR, go window. You got an AR, go top window.
I did not want to play the top window with a sub, bro.
Zip that.
Why they behind me? Fry that kid.
Behind, I think. What?
Go call out teammate.
I heard his dumbass. There's no 2 mid.
2 mid. Okay, I'm looking for him. Got one. Behind me. Oh yeah. Fry him. Behind me again. Oh yeah. Fry him. Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Nade. Watch a nade. Okay. See you dot through the smoke. Fry him.
Two right side.
Fry him. They just keep running through the front door. Like, why do you keep doing this? Take a different route, bro. How did I dodge that kick though? I was smacking them kids.
That clip was nice though. Yep. I don't like this song. This song cooking me. Actually, I don't like none of these songs, to be honest. Play some more chill shit, bro. Something like this, relax kind of vibe, but not that. Bro, I'm trying to chill. I really had it at those lows because it matched the liquidity to the left you called out earlier. Nah, yeah, but I don't want to get triggered too early. Then it'd be a full-on reversal. You know what I'm saying? So I need the liquidity. Like if I'm taking the trade off of liquidity, I need the liquidity to get taken first, and then show me that buyers are starting to regain control. And you only know that once we break a structure. I mean, have a market structure shift. If it just takes liquidity and doesn't show you buyers are coming in, then 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get faked out. So you gotta wait till it actually show you structure that the buyers are actually taking over. Then go on with the wave of the buyers taking over. But it's looking good right now. We got a minute, 2 minutes to the 1 hour candle close. Looking like the 1 hour candle close with a rejection here. Then we have one after this 1 hour close. It's gonna be 1 hour left in the 4 hour candle as well. But I wanted to get triggered on this 1 hour candle, to be honest. But guess it didn't want to give us that entry. Is my music too loud? That shit look like it's booming. So if I use a 1 minute entry, 1 minute entry will literally be right here. This low key looks clean. No cap. This will be my structure shift right here. Low key looks clean. If I wanted to take this though, I would take it with lower risk. Just because it's a little bit aggressive. But this looks clean. You got a bullish engulfing candlestick here as well. Price slowed down in this area. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, this will be a rejection wick on the previous 15-minute doji. Next 15-minute create a bottom wick, flip and break previous 15-minute highs. Like that all looks clean. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna take this. Low risk though. I'm only gonna take this on one of my accounts. I'm not gonna take this on the other one. I have an aggressive account and a like regular account. I'm gonna take this on my aggressive account, to be honest. No cap. What is this, gold? XAU USD.
I'm gonna do 0.5% risk here. What is this stop loss? 2649. Five seven. Yeah, I got in this, to be honest. But a 40 pip stop loss. We're gonna round it to 40. I got in this with half risk because it's 1 minute entry. Now I have a scale in at this 5 minute level. So let's see how this plays out. Because it's risky, I only took it on my aggressive account. I didn't take it on my other account. So at your own risk. But I do like the overall idea. Then we have a easy or nice 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3 risk to reward here. This trade could fucking slap. Is the aggressive 5K? Nah. Nope. 5K is not my aggressive account. I'm more aggressive on my bigger account because it's easier to. I'm aggressive on my bigger account because the profits is more in profit. I'm up 5% on that account. On my 5K, I'm only up like 4.5% or something like that. So I got more cushion on my bigger account, so I'm using it as an aggressive. So they switch. Sometimes I take the aggressive trade on my 25K, on my 50K. Sometimes I'll take it on my 5K. So depending on what count is more up in profit. In this case, it's the 50K. 2656 2656.35. That's this right. 2656.35. Stop loss. What is this stop loss? About 70 pips. We're gonna risk a full 1% on this position. That way, I'm in total risk 1.5% on both positions. There we go. Do you have a daily payout or bi-weekly? Bi-weekly. Alright, I'm liking this position right here. I'm liking how this 1 hour candle went. I like this 1 hour close here. 1 hour rejection wick. Very, very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Then we will be breaking this buy stop here. We'll be breaking previous 1 hour highs. It's looking nice. And this 4 hour candle having a massive rejection wick as well. To continue higher. Everything looks nice for the setup. So let's look at the 1 minute because this is where I actually took this first position at. So let's look at this 1 minute structure. So then we have a 1 minute shift in structure where the 1 minute is going bullish. We need to respect this low here. So if this pullback happens, this is fine. This pullback is expected, right? But I don't want to take out this low.
Again, the reason why this 1 minute entry was still risky is because this is still the current range, technically. We're still within the current range. If this 5 minute position gets executed, I'm going to trail stop loss from 40 pips to 20 pips, managing risk. Just on the scaling entry, not on this position. On the first position, I'm going to cut my stops in half. Going from risking 40 pips to about 20 pips, from risking 0.5% to 0.25%, which increases the risk to reward ratio from 0.25% risk to from 0.5% risk to 0.25% risk, which is going from a 1 to 3 to 1 to 4. That's how I plan it. That's how I plan on managing this trade. But let's see how it plays out. So here goes this pullback on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if we could make a new high here. If price pushes up after this pullback, breaks in this high, and executing me on this 5 minute position, breaking this high, we should be good to go. Do you think the biweekly is better than the daily payout in psychological aspect? Man, it don't even matter if it's biweekly or daily. If you profitable, you profitable. So it don't matter when they pay you out, as long as you get paid out, it don't even matter. That's how I think about it. I don't care if the prop firm pay me every fucking month, bro. As long as I got my payout, I don't care. The reason why companies make you wait longer though for payouts is to give you give you more time to fuck up so they don't have to pay you out. But when you like when you really disciplined and a profitable trader, you don't that shit don't like longer payouts don't affect us because it's like we don't really care. If this first position end up losing on my aggressive account, end up stopping me out here for this 0.5% loss, I'm going to delete the buy stop and just call it a day. How long have you been profitable in your journey? Consistent? About 1.5 years. And I've been trading for 3.5. 4.5 years. So it took me about 3 years to become profitable. I'm hungry though. Okay. I ain't eat all day. All I had was snacks. Literally.
Why is my Discord going off? Yo, sometimes, bro, my Discord go off. I don't even know where the notification be coming from. I just hear boop. Then I gotta go through every server and every channel just to see what the fuck notification was. Didn't mean to move that. We're gonna have a 1 minute fib level here. Oh my god, 1 minute fib level. Reaction off the 618. Can we push up now? Hello? Can you stop playing on me and go to my 5 minute entry?
Here's how you can get designer colognes like
you never take the white bishop here, ever, because there's no reason to do this and then castle into the H file of the opening of the rook. So don't do that, alright? Go queen e7 or just castle, right? Okay, so of course you take because, you know, it's there, so you take it. And now knight c6 blocking your bishop, and now blocking your bishop even further, and queen d7. So are you gonna castle long? Is that the plan? Because see, now you can get quintuple pinned. Something like that. It's not a real thing, but alright, knight e5. I mean, yeah, you can just, you know, finish developing castle on either side, but let's just play knight e5 into the middle of the board. Okay, now I'm willing to bet you took that, and it's actually a good move. Now you obviously have to move your knight to the middle. You can't move it to those squares, and going to g8 is brain dead. So you played knight e4. Very nice. All right, takes. Perfect. And that's just a free bishop. So your opponent pinned your queen to your king with no protection whatsoever. And yeah, I mean, players like your opponent, you know, they play bishop e5, no protection whatsoever. And the parents there should have probably used them, because otherwise they gave birth to someone who played bishop e5. So just kidding. Children are gifts from God. So you know, bishop e5 was a bad move. It wasn't a good move. It wasn't defended at all. And yeah, now you're just completely winning. And this is like not even completely winning. This is completely and utterly winning, because the queen will go down here or to take everything. Rook d8 is coming. So the game lasted 35 more moves when it should have lasted about 10. Okay, so let's see what happens. Queen e2. Now you're up material, so you can trade. If you do trade, the game will go longer. But you take this. Okay, now they castle. Now I would castle kingside, because you can't castle queenside. Okay, I mean, you know, king in the middle. Maybe both sets of parents should have used protection. I don't know. All right, you're still winning. Still winning because your position is so good. Now, this will give me a lot of information about your rating. You are in the 3 digits if you did not defend with a pawn. A high-rated player here does not want to move the queen out of the middle and realizes they can just play like f5 and they block the attack. Under 1000, sees the attack on the queen and moves the queen. Okay, so queen c4. Yeah, now you have a problem because this is under attack. You got to protect it or push it 2 squares. Okay, so you allow the queen in. Yeah, now you have problems. All right, king b1, g6, rook moves. Now, how logical of a player are you? You play king g7? Good. Trade queens. Just do it. Okay, you're up material. Good. Nice. You can see that the pawns are trying to build, so stop them. You didn't stop them, but you didn't lose your bishop anyway. All right, how good are you at endgames? Rook all the way down. You know this. Okay, yes. Go dominate the d file, get both rooks on the second rank, and eat everything. Oh god, yes! That's expertly done.
I'm about to play some chess. No cap. I'll play some chess. Watch me play chess, chat. I love playing chess, bro. Even though I'm ass, it's just so fun, bro. Like, no cap. I'll be getting clapped up though. Can I minimize it so I can still see my trade? Hello? Wait, about to get triggered. About to get triggered on a 5 minute entry. About to get triggered on a 5 minute entry. New game. Let's go. Play. Let's go. I don't even know how to play. Nah, chess is calm, bro.
See what am I playing against? 413 score. Alright, bet. He's first. Let's go. Let's smack this kid. Let's develop some pieces up here. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, this is free. He's an idiot. He gave me a free rook. Never mind. Fuck. Okay, I could check his king if I get my knight here and take his rook, but I have to get my knight back up. In order to get my knight back up, I have to get my queen involved. Okay. Okay, this is easy. Is he gonna go for this trade? He's nervous now. He see the play coming. He's nervous. Hold on. I'm back. What I missed? Well, I'm in the buy here. For first position, I have a 5-minute scaling. But in the meantime, I'm finna fuck this kid up in chess. Let's check his king. Make a move. Make a move. Is he gonna take? If he take my knight, I take his queen. That's a bad trade. If he moved the king, okay, he pushed the king to the knight, but that means he could take the queen. I mean, he could take my knight with his queen. Then we trade queens. I don't want to do that. If I take the rook here, I lose my knight. I don't want to do that either. So how can I check the king from the spot he's in now while still keeping these two pieces here? That's what I'm thinking about. I can't. I just can't. Do I sacrifice my knight? Alright, fuck it. He can have the knight. So do I develop more pieces or do I attack this pawn? If I attack this pawn now, he's going to bring this pawn up to get this pawn defense. Then I'm going to have to attack this pawn. But I can't attack this pawn either because this pawn has defense with this queen. So I think I'm just going to develop more pieces. So what is this knight here doing? This knight can go here. This knight can go here. If he go here, he loses. This knight can go here unchallenged. So how can I counter this? So we're going to develop a pawn. We're going to look for castle queen side. That's the plan. All right, so he's trying to develop more pieces. Do I want to stop that? He's trying to challenge my queen here. So we're going to stop. We can cut that off the middle right here. But now this pawn no longer has backup. So I'm going to push this pawn here. But if I do push this pawn, he could just get his pawn back up by bringing his bishop up. Probably what he's going to do. He's going to bring the bishop up or push the pawn up. One of them two. He's just giving it to me. No way he's just giving it to me like this. Alright, first thing first, we're going to take this trade. It's an easy trade here. Take that pawn for pawn trade, and then we're going to establish position. I'm not pushing that bishop because that bishop still has protection from that queen. But I could check the king here, but by taking this pawn and come across the middle and take. Well, nah, I can't take the knight. All right, so he's. Fuck with the point of that. He's attacking this pawn. This pawn has no backup. Well. Okay, I could pin this knight up against the king by making him not be able to move this knight. Nice play, nice play. I have to develop more pieces though. That's a good play. But we're just gonna protect it there. If we're gonna take that trade, that's perfectly fine with me. He still can't move this knight. My bishop right here is being blocked by this pawn, so I gotta advance this pawn even more. That way I can free up my bishop so my bishop can get active. But I'm up in pieces. I got more pawns than a rook. All he got is 2 knights. I mean, 2 pawns and a knight. So I'm up in material. And I have better position. So what could I do next? Okay, that was like, what was the point of that, bro? I'm just gonna block. I'm gonna take this bishop in a second if you don't move this bishop here. Yeah, this kid's an idiot, bro. Like, absolutely. That was a good play. We're gonna go bishop here. I didn't even see that. I'm asleep just now. No cap. I'm calling this kid an idiot and I just did that dumb shit. Alright, so we're gonna advance this pawn. Check the king here. Okay, he's pinning my knight. I can't move it. Okay, let's figure out my rook here. To get this queen out the backfield, I gotta figure out my rook. Okay, so I could check the king here, but if I check the king here and he places backspace, I can't take this bishop. If he places backspace, I have another check though. Okay, I check the king here. He places backspace. I check the king again here and take the free knight. Let's see. He's probably gonna go here to protect the bishop. That's his best bet. If he just go in his back row, I check him twice. Yes. Okay, check him again. He's gonna go this way. Then I'm gonna check him again. Oh, he's not. Okay, that's smart man. But he just pinned his bishop, and I have a check here. So I could actually donate this rook here. If I donate this rook here, it'll free up my bishop. Then I could go bishop to g5, and that should be game. All right, so take the bishop. That's bait. Take the bait, please. He's gonna block here. Oh, I'm a fucking genius. I baited the fuck out of this kid. I read him like a book, man. Okay, why are we giving a pullback? What is this? You should have executed me on a fucking 5-minute buy stop and just win. I should have won the trade and won the game at the same time. Like, what the fuck is this? This was a 40 pip stop loss. Let's do a 40 pip TP1. Because I don't even know where that's at on the chart. Like, actually. Okay, so it's right above the 5 stop buy stop entry. So let's TP1 here. The thing is, bro, we literally struggling to break out of this range. Like, fuck. Now I'm looking at it. We are just having a retest of this lower time frame structure. That's what it's looking like. So it fell into breakout. Didn't mean to move that. Let's play another game, see if we hit TP and win the chess game at the same time. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go pawn e4. Okay, we're gonna attack that pawn with knight f3. Okay. I wanna attack this queen. How should I attack this queen though? He developing his queen really early. So when people develop their queen early, gotta attack that shit to get on the ropes. Cause not that many spaces he can move. So you're gonna get my bishop involved by attacking this fucking pawn here. My bishop. Okay, he gave his pawn back up. That was smart. We're going to attack here. Then I'm going to advance this pawn and have this knight here to counter as well. So let's see. Okay, so he's trying to pin my queen. All right, so we're going to give my queen back up with this bishop here, and we're going to castle kingside.
NFL Sunday Ticket and YouTube TV and watch every game every Sunday, all in one place. Sign up today. Terms and embargoes apply.
I want that. I don't like that knight being there. This knight takes this control of the square. I gotta get that knight out of there. Actually, no, it doesn't. Watch this. Actually, yes, it does. I'm cooked. I'm so cooked. I'm not cooked. Is he gonna take this knight though? If he takes this knight though, I'm taking that knight with this bishop, and I have this bishop that's unattended. So he's smart. He used that bishop instead. If I take this bishop here with my queen, then I lose control of this knight here. So is that something I'm willing to do, or do I sacrifice? Oh, can I check? No, I can't check. Okay, what I could do is I could sacrifice the knight here and try to pin this knight here. No, I can't do that because he just advanced. That's nice. That was cute. Whatever. He got control of his bishop. That's fine. We're gonna go for a check here. He's gonna move his king up. Okay, he advanced his pawn. We're gonna attack this rook free. That was a bad advance, my boy. So he's probably gonna bring the knight over here, so I can't take it. Oh, take my what? Free check, thank you. You wanna check him again and take this pawn? I'm up in material. What could I do here? All right, let's give my king out just in case. New my bro, how are you? What's good, Siraj? Where you been at? Where you been at, my boy? You been asking me to go live. I've been live for the past couple days. I ain't see you in here once. I might lose my knight here. Fuck, I lose my knight here. Alright, he can have the knight. Fuck it. He have the knight. He checked me. I gave my king out already. I'm on white tile, so this bishop can't check me. I could take this pawn, check the king. Oh no, he's blocking the king right now. Easy. This is still easy though. I could pin this game. Oh no, this fucking bishop right here. I gotta make him move this bishop. How do I make him move this bishop? Let's go. I gotta get this bishop out of this lane here. If this bishop move out of this road, it's a game. Okay, he did. Oh my fucking god, this kid's an idiot, bro. Write like a book. Write like a book. You took any positions? I'm gonna go right now. I'm in this go entry from right here, and I have a buy stop set in here that has not been activated yet. He made a mistake. He should never move that bishop out that lane. I told him to keep it there. He didn't listen. Come on, do I not make chess look fun though? Like, be honest. Like, how do you not have fun playing chess? Now with chess though, you just gotta know how the pieces move, and then you gotta pre-plan. So like the knights only move in L shapes. So the knights are the horses. Like these horses right here, they only move in L shapes. So they only could go 3 tiles in one direction and then 1 tile to the left or right. So if this here, you go 2 tiles up to the left 1, or 2 tiles up to the left right, or 2 tiles to the left and then up 1, or 2 tiles to the left and then down 1. That's how the knights move. The rooks right here, they go straight up and straight down, or straight left and straight right. They can't go diagonal. The queens, the bishops, they only go diagonal. So if I got a green tile bishop, it only goes diagonal. And for the white tile bishop, it only goes diagonal on the white tiles. Then queen can go any direction, up, down, left, or right, but not in the L shape like knights. And then, I think the queen is the most important piece on the board. A lot of people say that the rook is the second most important piece because it's easy to trap with rooks. But I think the knights is the key piece for me because knights could jump around the board and disrespect all the rules and create some nice traps. Let's go a new game. I thought that kid was going to beat me, to be honest. Alright, so we're going to attack this pawn again. He's probably going to give his pawn back up, which was that rook. If he advances pawn, I'm going to pin this king. If he advances this pawn up, I'm going to pin this knight. When I say pin this knight, that means make this knight unable to move. In order to make this knight unable to move, I have to put a piece that threatens this king. Because if I'm threatening the king in check, that means he can't move the knight because the knight is the only thing that's blocking the king. But I can't do that until this pawn moves. So, we can... I want to develop more material here to get more control of the center. So right now he's attacking my pawn, so I got to bring my pawn some defense. I'm going to bring my pawn defense with... My pawn already has defense here, but I can castle early, to be honest. Do I want to castle early, though? Okay, I'm going to push this pawn up here. He's probably going to take this trade. We're going to go pawn for pawn, knight for knight, but I have this queen here to back this knight up after I get control of the square. So here we go. Now I have more map control. I have more control of the center, so I have better position. He's pushing my queen here. If I take this queen with my pawn, I lose my queen by this bishop, so that would be a bad trade. So instead, I'm going to move my queen. But where do I want to move it to? I want to move it to a place that still has good control, but while also not losing it. So I think I'm gonna go queen c4. Then after queen c4, I'm gonna push up on this knight. So I can't move this pawn now, because if I move this pawn up, he gets a free pawn. I get nothing in return. This pawn here still has backup, but if my pawn stays here, I have my queen to defend my pawn and my knight to defend my pawn. So if he take my pawn with his knight, I'll take his knight with my knight. He takes my queen, he loses his queen, and I have position and put him in check at the same time. So he probably not going to take this trade. So now my job here is just to develop more pieces. Now I got to think, which side do I want to castle? Do I want to castle left side or right side? I think I want to castle left side. But in order for me to castle left side, I got to free up more space with my bishop. So I'm going to pin his knight up against his queen with my bishop here. He's probably going to advance this pawn. He's not. He's starting my... that was smart. That was smart, but we're not taking that trade. We're going to go check. He's probably going to bring this pawn up to block the check, but he'll lose the free pawn there, so that would be a bad idea. I don't think he's going to do that. He's not bad. He uses the bishop to force me to move my queen again. So I'm just going to keep retreating my queen, because I don't want to lose my queen here. And this pawn has no protection. So I'm going to attack this pawn. But he's probably going to just push his pawn with my knight here. Let me push my pawn with his pawn here. So where I want to go? Oh. Okay, I know what to do. I'm going to go here just so I can attack this rook. Okay, bet. I'm attacking this rook here because he moved the bishop. The bishop was defending this rook. But now that he moved the bishop, I can attack the rook here by taking this pawn and pushing up on this rook. That was a good play. I like that. I admire that out of you, you know. That was a good try. You did your thing there. But we're gonna go knight for knight right here. You're gonna take that, put me in check, which is fine. I blocked the check on my bishop. You're probably gonna try to advance this pawn up. Oh, you do bishop? Okay, that was a good play as well. Well, we use our pawn to block. I'm still in control here. Even though he has more pieces up front, I'm still in control because he has no defense. I still have defense here. What is he gonna do? What is he gonna do? Okay, he's attacking my queen. Good try, but not good enough. You're gonna get my queen out of dodge while at the same time playing offense, attacking his rook. He's probably gonna move his rook so I don't take it. His smart thing to do was put his rook to this side, but that also gives my bishop a straight line to his rook. Then after I take that, he could take my bishop, but I'll fucking check his king. At the same time, his queen has no defense here, and his bishop has no defense here either. So I can take either of these. So do he want to lose his queen or do he want to lose his rook? He got to make this decision here. Okay, so he chose to save his queen. Smart man. He's probably going to try to check my... He's probably going to try to attack my rook as well. So to avoid him attacking my rook, I got to give my rook protection. In order to give my rook protection, I got to let my other rook be his protection. So I got to move my king out the way. So I'm going to give him that. Free bishop. He's so busy trying to get me in check, he's giving me free pieces. And I definitely still have map control. That was a good capture there, though. Not gonna lie. So we're gonna check his king, take his rook. So I got both rooks. I'm up in material. This is easy. Somehow I'm gonna choke this shit. Watch. He's low-key trying to put my king on the ropes right now. That bishop is right here saving his queen. So I'm going to keep my king on white tile so that bishop can't defend. I don't like how out and open my king is now. Now I have no more defense, to be honest. Yeah, he got me. Fucking pussy. Got caught that time. Hold on, chat. I just got fucked up, bro. I lose that game, bro. I had so much up on material and position. His queen just started cooking my shit, though. And now this shit want to keep us out of the end. This shit cooking my shit right now, too, bro. Bro, can we just give us a nice push off of this reaction? This level, bro. Fuck, bro. I really don't like how we're rejecting this area. We have one rejection here. Price came all the way down, made a new low. Another rejection here. And now we're coming back down. So if we make a new low, that's stopping me out for a loss on this first position. I don't like that. That I don't like. But we're overall just fucking barcoding right here. Look on a 15-minute time frame. Let's turn everything off. Look on a 15-minute time frame. Just straight rejection wicks. 30-minute time frame. Rejection. All rejecting off of this level as well. For these lows as well. Right? We haven't closed above this area either. Just have reject. Wait. That is hurting this trade idea. Let's say this is a 1 hour market structure shift on a 1 hour time frame. Say this is a break and retest of this 1 hour level. And then looking to go bearish. This 5-minute time frame has to go bullish first, which would be bullish above here, right? This is my entry. So now look at this bullish structure. This shit's bearish. It has potential to sell off to these lows based off of this 1 hour market structure shift. That's what I'm thinking. It's like a break and retest of this level instead of a break and retest of this level. But this is the higher time frame level. So the higher time frame, the stronger the confirmation. This is the higher time frame level. So this level should hold stronger than this level if that's the case. But we got to close above this level here. And this level here. We got to close above both of these minor levels. That will confirm the strength in this 4 hour level right here. And this is why my metrics say I hold trades for up to 4 hours. Because I get in shit like this. Like, what the fuck? Just come on already, bitch. You know you want to go. Hey Siraj, how's your trading been going, bro? I haven't seen you in a while, gang. Think about just going break even on this 1 minute entry and just focusing on a 5 minute, getting out of this range. That's what I'm thinking. I'll stay on here for about 10 more minutes. Waiting this hourly close, see how this hourly close. After that, I'm off. Well, it's hourly and a 4 hour. So it'll be a 4 hour reject. Like, it still looks good on the 4 hour, like for this 4 hour rejection week, and then just start to push up. Like, it still looks good, bro. On the 4 hour time frame, still look good on the 1 hour time frame. Well, this 1 hour candle don't look good actually. Like, small bottom wick, big rejection wick here in the 1 hour, rejecting this low right over here. That doesn't look good. But on the 4 hour time frame, still looks good. Market's pretty crap today. Nah, yeah, they are. But I think I'm gonna go break even on the first position and just focus on this 5-minute level. And let this 5-minute level do what it do. I haven't closed the first position yet though. I'm thinking about it. I lucky don't want to close that break even. But that shit was close to TP1, bro. Like TP1 is here. We went about 20 pips in profit, so that's halfway to TP1. For 40 pips TP1. We was halfway to TP1. I feel like if we can go to the top range again, then I'll close for like 0.5%. Half of a 0.5%. So 1/4%. So I only risk 0.5% on the street. So it'd be 1/4%. But the smart thing to do would just to go break even though, to be honest. I'm gonna be a little stubborn right now though. I'm up 8% on this account. So anyway, so this little 0.5%, I don't really care. Do we play another game of chess? When I play chess, I was in profit. Whenever time I closed the chess game, came back and draw down. Not in drawdown, but the entry. So let's see if this remedy works. This the new strategy. Take a trade and play chess. Right? When you're in the game, you're gonna be in profit. When you're not in the game, you're gonna be in drawdown. Hey bro, where do you reside? I stay in Philly, bro. Philadelphia. So he's probably gonna try to check my king and attack my rook here. So to stop that, I gotta protect this square here with this bishop. He's probably gonna advance this pawn to make me move this bishop as well. That'll be the smart thing to do, advance this pawn here. But in this case, I'll just sacrifice my bishop. He's attacking my king, my queen. So you're gonna check his king and take this knight easy. Where everybody from in the chat, man? Well, let me know where y'all from. That's actually a good question. Let me see where everybody from at. Alright, so he moved the king. We take the knight easy. Nice, you popped on YouTube feed, super random. You're an Eagles fan. I don't pay attention to football. LA. I don't pay attention to like sports entertainment, to be honest. But I'm gonna say I'm an Eagles fan just because I'm from here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta say I'm an Eagles fan. You know. Where can we go? I'm gonna lose my rook here, but that's fine. Like, it is what it is. I'm gonna have to go here. Oh, that was a good play. Good fucking play. I lied, bitch. You suck, dummy. UK? Nah, I definitely knew you from UK. You keep saying mate. He quit. Haha. Weirdo. LA? What's the weather like in LA right now? I'm lucky trying to go to LA this summer, to be honest. If I can get our probation. Take the pawn, nigga. Come on. I'm being scared. Take the pawn, nigga. Take the pawn. Weirdo. Scary ass nigga. Take that free pawn, nigga. Get that free pawn, nigga. Let's advance my knight. Oh, what type of trader are you? What's your green light to enter? So I basically focus on market structure shift on every single time frame. So I'm gonna go over this trade in a second because I'm actually in the trade right now. But let me finish this game of chess real quick. I got you, my boy. Let's attack this bishop here. Let me whoop his ass in chess real quick, then I'm gonna show you on his charts. Oh, so he's moving. Yeah, he's scared. He's a little pussy. I'm still gonna attack this bishop. Stop running, little pussy ass bishop. For sure, bro. Take your time. I got you. I'm gonna try to make this guy quit just for you, my boy. Move that bishop again. Move it again. You trapped the bishop now. You either gonna go here, get took, go here, get took, or go here, get took. Either way, the bishop getting took, bro. You shouldn't have advanced that pawn. That was a bad move by you, my dude. Get better. You gotta get better, bro. He's not good enough yet. Imagine I still lose this game talking all this shit, bro. I low key looking like a reversal head and shoulders. Nah, yeah, on the lower time frame for this inverted head and shoulders. But like I said, we still overall stuck in this range. We just gotta come out of this range. He's gonna attack my knight here. How dare you attack my knight like that? How dare you? Give me this knight. Take my knight. I dare you. Easy. Give me that bishop. Take my knight again. I dare you. Yup. Give me that pawn. Yeah, I see that coming too. I see that coming too. Watch this. Oh, almost did some dumb shit. All right, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I can't move this bishop. I move this bishop. He's easily gonna take this rook here. I'm gonna rook instead. Oh, don't run now. Don't run that pussy ass queen now. He gonna run that bitch ass queen away from me. He probably gonna go like queen here. This what he looking for? This what he looking for? I look, want to get out the first trade, to be honest. The first position I took, I want to get out of it. It should have been deeper in profit than this. Like, this is a 1 minute entry. 1 minute entry should go straight in profit. Bro, it's taking too long. Let's see if he do his queen for queen trade. Or is he a pussy? She got 2 knights and 2 pawns. I got 2 pawns, a bishop, and a knight. So he pussy basically. He ain't gonna do it, bro. He not built for it. I don't know why I'm tripping. Why am I pushing my king out so far? I need to come back. I'm not even thinking for it. I'm just pressing shit, bro. But what did I just do that for? Bro, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, fuck. But what he just... I don't even know what he did. Oh, he moved his queen over. So he's scared to go queen for queen. I understand that. I'm gonna go here, though. You're gonna attack me here. That'll be a good play. I seen that coming, bro. We're gonna take this knight here still. You got that rook there. That'll put me in check. But if you take my rook, you lose your knight. So either way, I'm cool. And smart man, you're not taking that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, shawty. I'm just redoing my charts, then heading to the gym. I got you, my boy. I'm gonna attack this rook right there, bro. I ain't gonna care. And he's being a little girl. He's so scared of me, bro. Like, just play. Just play the game, my boy. Alright, we're gonna do this. This is very risky, but I'm gonna do it anyway. He's gonna take that. I'm getting fucked up right now, bro. Because I'm really not focused, bro. I'm looking trying to finish this game so I get back to the chart, to be honest. Hey, this dude taking too long, bro. Come on, I got shit to do. Hey, just joined. Top of the morning. What's good with your game? Where you from? Oh my god, he's so. Oh, I can't. That's smart. That was a smart move. Smart. I ain't gonna lie. That was smart, bro. This guy's actually taking too long, bro. Fuck this game. Actually, he's taking too long. All right, let's get back on the chart. You from Poland? What time is it in Poland, gang? Oh, to the guy, Shava, who said, "For sure, bro, take your time. Want to know how I trade?" So basically what I do is I separate simple support resistance, but I also look for structure, and I'm more so on an intraday / day trading space. So I identify structure on the higher time frame first, then I get directional bias. Once I determine the directional bias, I wait for price to come to a major level of support resistance to actually execute. But before I execute, I need to see higher highs and higher lows structure going against my overall directional bias to take a market structure shift and confluence to higher time frames. Right? I said that a little bit fast, so I'm gonna show you a visual representation. You and Boss, could you explain the trade idea? I see you and Boss. Yeah, I'm about to do that right now. But before I get into representation, I'm gonna show you a diagram of how I trade basically. So first, I like to see structure on the high time frame. So the dailies have a bullish structure, bullish sentiment, right? And then you have a little pullback like this on a 4-hour time frame. Overall, still bullish. This lets me know that daily and the 4 hour is both bullish. I should be strictly looking for buys. I'll drop down to the 1 hour time frame, and inside the 1 hour time frame, you will see lower high structure like this. Once I see this, I simply wait for a market structure shift on lower time frames at a major key level to then take a long position, going in confluence with the overall 4-hour and daily bias, and I have a target of the previous higher high structure. And right, so that's just how I trade in a nutshell, and I combine this with support and resistance. Just watching from China in office, but I'm from the UK. What's good? What's good? You travel for work? That's actually lit. So to get into the trade idea on this gold position, wait, let me see where it's at right now. All right, so my buy stop just got triggered. So my second position just got triggered. So I'm in 2 positions now. But to get into the trade idea, start off on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is overall bearish. You might be asking how I know the daily time frame is overall bearish, because price was bullish here, creating higher highs and higher lows. Knowing that this price is bullish, we see that this is the most recent higher low here on this bullish time frame. But this push down took out this previous higher low, transitioning into bearish structure. So we label this MSS, meaning a market structure shift. Whenever you see a shift in the direction go from bullish to bearish, I consider that a market structure shift. Or whenever we go from bearish to bullish, I consider that a market structure shift. So this is where we shift in direction, going from bullish to bearish. Now that I know we went bearish in this area, I want to look at the structure that formed in this bearish momentum. As you can see, we create lower lows and lower highs here. Overall, still bearish. This is my most recent lower high on a daily time frame. So I want to see the push that took out this lower high, which was this push here, transition back into bullish structure, right? Then inside this bullish structure, I want to see the focus on the actual structures. Now we see higher high, higher low, equal highs. These equal highs created this higher low. Then eventually this higher low got taken out, transitioned into bearish structure. So according to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is bearish. The daily time frame is bearish. So that's why you see this label here, daily sells, meaning this is the most recent high that created this push to take out this previous higher low. So daily technically is bearish. So this buy I'm in is counter to the daily time frame. But I'm gonna tell you why I bought in a second. Once I do this on the daily time frame, I like to jump down to the 4-hour time frame to see the structure as well, because each time frame tells its own story, right? So in the 4-hour time frame, we see that we have higher highs and higher lows here, same way I did on the daily time frame. We had this market structure shift that transitioned into bearish structure. Then we have lower lows and lower highs. Boom, boom, boom. This is my most recent lower high. This shift in structure right here that happened, that where price is currently at, shift this 4-hour time frame to bullish structure. Now that I know the 4-hour time frame is bullish structure, I should be looking for buys on 4-hour time frame. Now I want to see the structure that's forming inside this bullish push, which will be these higher highs and higher lows. This is the most recent higher low, which is why you see a line here that says 4-hour buys above, meaning anything that's above this overall line, I should be strictly looking for potential areas to buy at, right? So now that I have that, drop down to the 1-hour time frame. So let's clear all of this. Wait, before I even get to the 1-hour time frame, this is my 4-hour most recent higher low that recently just got broke. So I use this as a level of resistance, because I trade support resistance as well. So price broke above this level, I trade break and retest. Price broke above this 4-hour lower high, tapped into this previous one up here as well, give us a rejection wick and pull back into this one here. So now that I know that we pulled back into this previous 4-hour market structure shift, I'm anticipating that this area could get rejected and continue higher to start to take out the liquidity sitting above this high and the liquidity sitting above this high, and eventually all the way up here at some point in time. But in the meantime, focusing on what's going on right now. So price broke above up here. I waited for price to pull back into this area. Overall, looking for buys on the 4-hour, drop down to the 1-hour time frame. Looking on the 1-hour time frame, we are overall bullish as well. As you can see, we are still trading above our 50 EMA on the 1-hour time frame, and we just trading this break and retest. I'm anticipating that this market structure shift here on this 1-hour time frame was just a bearish fake out to fake out some sellers getting in too early to eventually stop them out, because our overall time frame on the 1-hour is a bullish. We have a very, very aggressive push here. I'm anticipating this to be a bearish fake out, and our 4-hour time frame is bullish as well. So if I have more time frames telling me to buy, then I'll be looking for buys. If I have more time frames telling me to sell, then I'll be looking for sales. In this case, I have more time frames telling me to buy than to sell, for the simple fact that the 4-hour is telling me to buy and the 1-hour is telling me to buy. The daily is telling me to sell. So I'd rather buy than sell, because it's higher probable for the buys to play out than the sells to play out, because I have more time frames telling me to buy. Damn, I'm talking too fast, bro. Then I had a sell idea, but only way I would sell if we had a closure above this support level, meaning this support level is failing and sellers are taking control. Then I will be looking to take sells below this area. But until then, I'm strictly looking for buys. Then
Drop down to the 5 minute time frame. Look on the 5 minute time frame. I want to see the structure that happened in on this retest. And on this retest, like I said, I like to see a market structure shift. So on the retest, so this is the retest here. This overall bearish momentum here. I want to look at the structure that formed in this bearish push. We have lower lows and lower highs here. This is a lower low, a lower high, a new lower low. In order for me to take a trade on the 5 minute time frame, I had to wait for this 5 minute lower high to get taken out, as it did get in here. That's why you see here I had a buy stop here. It literally just got activated, so I'm actively in this position as well. So this was the point of taking this buy here, and my stop loss has to be below the low. I like to place my stop loss in an area that invalidates market structure. So if I know below this low here is where we transition back into bearish structure, where the sellers are regaining control of the overall market and starting to drive price down. This is where I want to exit my trade for a loss when it comes to risk management and stuff like that. So that's why you don't see me having a stop loss here or a super tight stop loss here. You always want to put your stop loss in the area that invalidates the trade. So for this, in this case, if this is the most recent low that price had a reaction off of that push up that took out this high, buyers are always in control until this low gets rebroke. That's the point of my stop loss. And for targets, I look to target the previous high or the previous level of resistance, in this case, which would be this high up here. And I have a further target, which will be this high all the way up here. If I zoom out, which was on the 4 hour time frame. No, it wasn't the 4 hour. What time frame was it again? I forgot. 1 hour. Here we go. This 1 hour structure point here, which will be my next target, if we could clear this level here. This level here, which is my first target. Then I have a scaling, or my very first position with this position down here was based off a 1 minute time frame. So not only do I look for market structure shift in a 5 minute, I look for them on a 1 minute too. Just very situational about which one I want to execute. So I end up taking one on a 1 minute as well. So based off of this 1 minute structure here, we have lower lows and lower highs forming. This is my most recent low. This is my most recent low. This low was created off of this lower high, so I waited for price to break above this area to take a buy position, which was this first entry here. And same way I do my stop loss with the 5 minute entry, do the stop loss with the 1 minute entry. Just stop loss below the low, because this is the area that invalidates the trade idea. So my first position is overall in profit about my first position is overall in profit for about, seen about 34 pips. My TP1 is 40 pips. So we see about 33 pips in profit, but it's currently sitting about 28 pips in profit. But that's the overall trade idea in this break and retest. How much did you risk on both of these trades? So the 1 minute entry was a 0.5% risk. I only risked 1% maximum on each individual trade. So because this 1 minute entry was a little bit early, oh, I didn't mean to delete it. Because the 1 minute entry was a little bit early, because we overall sitting in the consolidation period, so I entered at the bottom of a consolidation, anticipating this consolidation to get broken out to the upside. I risked 0.5% here, but just because I know it was a little bit risky. Then my overall 5 minute entry, the higher the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. So my overall 5 minute entry was a full 1% risk. So yeah. So that's the trade idea. And I'm anticipating price to come and target the liquidity sitting above this level, and if we could clear this level of resistance, we have a further target to reach up here for about a 1 to 4 on my first position, and about a 1 to 2 and a 2.3 for my second position, for a total of 2 to 6 or 2 to 7 total. But in total for both these positions, I'm in total risk of 1.5%. Hopefully all of that makes sense. Any questions, comments, or concerns? A little bit of background about me. I've been trading for about 4.5 years, almost 5 years. I have almost 5 years of trading experience in these markets. I've been profitable consistently for the last 1.5 years. So it took me about 3 years to get profitable in my trading journey. Price is struggling to hit TP1 right now, which is actually pissing me off.
Wish we could just hurry up and hit it, so I could be like TB1 hit, starts to break even on this position. I don't really scalp. I'm more so on the intraday / day trading space. So I typically hold my trades for longer. So I've been in the trade for like a little while now, to be honest. But it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. Let's look at this hourly candle. But this is the 4 hour open as well. The 4 hour open at 5 a.m. Yeah, so this is the 4 hour open as well. Our previous 4 hour gave us a nice bearish rejection wick, rejecting this overall level. So this trade does look good still. I like the fact that we have a 4 hour rejection wick and a 1 hour close bullish, a week bullish, but it's still close bullish. So I think we should continue higher here. And we broke out of the range, trading above our 50 EMA on a 15-minute time frame, and our 5-minute has a trade above the 5-minute EMA as well. So, and then looking on the 5-minute time frame, we have this left shoulder hit, right shoulder market structure pattern. Price has this neckline. We broke above the neckline. Now we come back down to retest it for price to give another break and retest. Looks clean. Everything looks clean. I'm struggling with holding my trades closing too early or letting it run for too long and draw down. My main goal for 2025 is to just let it play out, type of management. So let me address that piece by piece. I'm struggling to hold my trades closing too early or letting it run. So if you close the trades too early, like what you mean by closing trades too early? Closing trades too early as in you're not getting holding the full trade to its full potential, or just closing too early like you're not even hitting your first TP? Yeah, sometimes closing at like 20, sometimes 30 pips in profit. So, with that, I would just say to get better at that, just set your TP on your trade locker or whatever your platform trader on, T5, whatever. Actually, manually set a TP1 and TP2 and don't touch it after that. Not TP1, TP2. Actually, manually set a stop loss in a TP1 and don't touch it after that. Whatever happens, happens. When it comes to holding your trade too long in drawdown, there's no such thing as holding your trade too long in drawdown. That's literally not even a thing. Drawdown is a part of trading. You want to be in drawdown sometimes. So, like, your drawdown, your stop loss should be in the area that invalidates your trade. Meaning, if you get stopped out, it's because the market is doing a full-on reversal and not just wicking you out and then continuing in your overall direction. To me personally, I like to be right. I take pride in being right about the overall direction of the market, right? So I like to have my stop loss in the area that means if I get stopped out, it's because I'm completely wrong. Meaning my entry was wrong and everything. Right? My direction was wrong. My directional bias was wrong. All that kinds of stuff, right? So your stop loss should always be in the area that invalidates your trade. Meaning if this low gets taken out, the buyers are no longer in control. Sellers are taking over the market. Meaning I don't want to be holding this position anymore. If you take drawdown with that approach, meaning no matter if you're in drawdown, like say I'm in this position here, price comes all the way down here, technically buyers are still in control, so I am still on the right side of the market. I don't give a fuck how far I pull down. It could pull down 1 pip from stop loss. Buyers are still in control of the market, so I'm technically still going the right direction until it actually goes below this low. That's how I try to look at it. So there's no such thing as holding drawdown too long if your drawdown is in the area that invalidates the trade idea or the overall directional bias that you determine. Do you have a rule, for example, stop loss at break even at a certain point, or just letting it run? Most of the times either TP or stop loss. So I do have a rule, and my rule is situational depending on how my week is going. So to start the week off, Mondays, sometimes Tuesdays, I just go for 1-to-1, easy 1-to-1, just to make sure that I'm in profit starting the week off, right? So I take a trade, I hit for 1-to-1, I'm in profit 1%, I'm cool. After that, well, I try to target 2%. So Monday and Tuesday, 1-to-1s, so I'm up 2% on the week. Once I'm up 2% on the week, then I start holding longer trades. That way, I'm protecting, I'm making sure my weekly outcome is in the green, and I'm also being able to capitalize on the higher time frame like position trades, right? So Monday and Tuesday, easy 1-to-1s. When it comes to Wednesday and Thursday, where we getting in the middle of the week, where the weekly candles really developing, the daily candles, we are down to daily candles, meaning we showing structure on that time frame, right? The weekly is starting to pick direction as well, where we get to the middle of the week. That's when I'm holding longer trades, and when I'm holding longer trades, sorry about that. When I'm holding longer trades, I'm doing, when price hits TP1, I go stop to break even. Price hits TP2, I close partials. Price hits TP3, out full, like that. That's like the base. Now sometimes I hold full to TP2, sometimes I hold full to TP3, depending on how my week is going. So if I'm already up a lot on the week, like say I'm up 3-4% just on a week already, and we at Thursday, then I could just hold full to TP3 because I'm already up on a week. I don't really care. Anything else after this, I consider it extra because I have a weekly percentage goal in mind, like that. So yeah, to start the week off, Monday and Tuesday, I really just go for 1-to-1s. When we get to Wednesday and Thursday, it's where I start to hold longer trades. It in TP1, I normally go break even. And when it comes to TP2 and my final TP, that's just really situational. Got it. Thanks. Yeah. Yes, sir. But I recommend no matter what you trade, always go break even at the TP1. For the simple fact that TP1, hitting your first target, TP is a tick profit, right? So hitting your first tick profit target is technically a winning trade. So if you won the trade because price hit your first tick profit, why are you letting it go all the way to your stop loss and turning a winning trade into a loser? Now, a winning trade to a break even is just a break even, right? But a winning trade into a loser is crazy. You already won because it already hit your first target. So technically a winning trade. So at least the bare minimum when it comes to risk management is bring your stop loss to break even after TP1. If you don't close, if you come back to break even, cool, right? You just got a break even trade. Break even trade is not a losing trade. At the end of the day, you want to be in trading for the longevity. And in order to be in trading for the long game, you have to have a account to trade with. To maintain having an account to trade with, you minimize your losses, maximize your wins. So break even is a part of minimizing your losses. So you don't want to win a trade to turn to a losing trade after you already hit TP1 and then it goes back to stop loss. So at the bare minimum when it comes to risk management, you should at least trust stop loss to break even after TP1 because there's technically still a winning trade. That's just how I think about it. Like if you play sports, you play basketball, something like that, and you shoot a deep 2, and it goes in, you're not gonna be like, oh, take the points off. I meant to shoot a 3. Like, don't matter. The shot went in. You already got the points, right? So it don't matter. You already hit your first target. At least go break even. Like, that's how I think about it. Maybe that was a bad analogy. Maybe that was a reach. But still, though. If y'all new in the chat, I have a free Discord link in the description, bro. I analyze charts in my Discord. So like if you have a chart or trade that you took that you want feedback on, like what you could have done better or whatever case it may be from my perspective or anything like that, just you send it in the Discord. It's the free Discord chat here. My man KB in the chat, he be cooking up, calling his trades out as well. I call my trades out. You can send your trade ideas here in the server as well. Profits, all kinds of shit, right? We have trading talk, crypto talk. So it's free, bro. So I recommend you join the Discord. A lot of value I try to put a lot of value in the Discord as well, and it's completely free. I'm already in there, boss. Oh shit, my fault, player. Appreciate it though. Welcome in, my boy. How long you been trading for, and what do you mainly trade? I think I'm still here for about another 30 minutes. I just want to hit TB1 first, to be honest. Then I'll go break even and go to sleep. Damn, the link says that invitation is invalid. I don't know why I put the link on unlimited. Nah, you capping. It don't say it's invalid. Look. I'm gonna figure it out. I could just redo a new link, to be honest. Fuck it. Don't make a difference. Oh, I do giveaways in my Discord as well. I do $25 giveaways in my Discord as well. So join the Discord, be active. You got a chance to win $25. I do like one of them a week, sometimes two, to be honest. So it's free $25, bro. There we go. I'm gonna trade gold. So what would you say your foundation of your strategy is? Do you trade like trend lines, support and resistance, ICT, fair value gaps, SMT, SMC? Like what would you say your foundation is? GJ and GU just trapping people this morning. New try Funder Pro. Funder Pro. I think I heard of that. Let's look it up. Payouts from the first trade, no hidden rules. The only platform that funds you with real capital. So they don't book you, they claim. Keyword, I said they claim. They might be lying. Hold on. Not only $25, but free gems. Nah, for real. GJ and GU might be trapping people this morning. Let's look at GJ and GU. I forgot about those pairs. See what GU. Oh yeah. Yeah, this shit's ranging like fuck right here. And sick GU. Oh yeah, they both on like a lower time frame uptrend. But at least this uptrend looks like more cleaner. This shit looks crazy. I'm definitely not trading this shit. Hey, whoever trading inside this range, bro, shout out to you, my boy. Hey. Let's look at Funder Pro. Daily payouts. Daily payouts is crazy. That's definitely a W. 80% profit split. That's a W. Funder Traders AI booked. Oh, so you don't get B booked. Okay. 24/7 support. No challenge drawdown. News and weekly holding. Hold on, they might be on to something. Let's see the challenge price. It look like 50K, 400. Was swing 50K, 400. Fast track 50K, 400. So wait, there's no difference in the fucking fast track and the regular. 350, no difference in price. Okay, where the rules at? Okay, here we go. So this is the fast track rules. This means it's one phase. Minimum trading days one. You can pass the challenge in one day. Oh no, you can't. You got a 45% consistency rule. This is a big consistency rule though. This is very, very, very easy. 45% is easy. What's your target? Max loss 7%. Daily loss 4%. Trading weekends, no. Can't trade on weekends. Profit share 80/20. Well, what's your target? Oh, 14%. Okay, that's crazy. 14% is crazy. 14% for just to pass the fucking phase 1 on a fast track challenge. When carry traders offer a one phase challenge with just 10%. Hello? Swing. Let's see the swing account. So you get 2 phases, 10% for phase 1. Phase 2, it's higher, but it's a great account. Well, all of them are technically great accounts, the same amount. But they do offer. Alpha Traders doesn't have that. Wait, never understood what consistency rule? Consistency rule just means you gotta have a consistent base profit on a day-to-day basis. Just means your biggest trading day can't supersede 45% of your overall profits. So to put it in perspective, if you have a 10% profit target, you have a 30% consistency rule, you divide the 30% by 3, and it would give you, you divide the 30% by 10 because it's overall 10% targeted. So you divide 30% by 10%, and it's going to give you 3%. So on a day average, don't close profits for more than 3%. Anything above that will make a consistency rule over 10%. So in this case, if it's 45, you do, and it's a 14% gain, you do 45 divided by 14. Then whatever that number is, that's what your percentage should be when it comes to on a daily basis. Maximum, not minimum. But as long as if you're closing out for 1-to-1s and 1-to-2s, or closing full for 1-to-1s and 1-to-2s on some 1 to 2% profits, then by the time you get to the end of the challenge, you're going to be well below the consistency rule, so you're not going to have a problem with that. All right, so we coming across a retracement here on a 5-minute time frame. I don't like how deep this retracement is, to be honest. So I'm gonna go break even on my first position. So I'm gonna go break even on first position. I'm gonna hold stop loss on this position. If I get broke even, fuck it. This was a risky position anyway. And if I come 1 pip from TP1 just to go fucking break even, like there's no point in that case. That's a negative risk reward when it comes to unrealized gain. I want to turn a winning trade into a losing trade, and it's 1 pip away from a winning trade. I want to lose that fucking trade. Right? That's what I mean by that. So we're gonna go break even here in the first position, and we're gonna hold full in this position. Every day, unlimited payout, real careful trading is awesome. Well, I don't give a fuck if I get B book or A book. I don't care if I get B booked or A booked. As long as I get paid out, it don't matter to me. Yeah, Alpha, you can make over 60% a day though. Yeah, that's tough. Some platforms, the platforms that do put that consistency rule in there, they just want to make sure they got consistent traders on their platform, and they not just getting people that's funded, that's just risking fucking just hitting 1 home run and then buying 10 challenges, failing all 10 of them, then hitting 1 home run and then getting a payout. So what do you mean by A book and B book? So B booked is basically simulated like demo. A booked is real live markets. So if a broker or a trading platform is B booking you, that means they're not actually putting your position in the live markets. You're still going to see a P&L. You're still going to see a P&L, but the money that you executing on or that lot size is not really getting entered in these actual live markets. A booking is your money is actually getting allocated into these charts. Like, yeah, sort of kind of Siraj, but not fully. Like you could deposit your own money into a broker, and that broker you deposited through could still B book your trades. Like just because you put your own personal funds in there, don't mean you're getting A booked.
For $350, $350 for 50K is crazy though. There's so much other platforms that'll still pay you out with cheaper prices, with easier rules too. Like you need 10%. Okay, that's cool. 10% not bad, but 14% was crazy on the one phase. All right, I'm about to trade that break even. Going to delete it off my chart. Let me go and hold this trade here. Another reason why I'm about to trade that break even, because if you look on this 15-minute time frame, well, not even 15 minutes, let's go to higher. Look at this 30-minute time frame. We have a bearish fib here. So, bearish fib. So if we rejecting off of the fib level and we coming down to re-break these lows, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I wanted to go break even here. But this trade I'm going to stick it out and hold it, because we didn't go deep in profit. This one was deep in profit, almost 40% profit. So 40% profit for an 80 pip retracement is a negative unrealized risk to reward, which made no sense to hold it all the way through. But I'm holding this. I will hold this all the way through though. So this is total 1% risk on this trade here. The 0.5% got broken even on. Trade Locker is a good, or C Trader. I use Trade Locker. I don't use C Trader. I never use C Trader, so I can't tell you an opinion on C Trader. I never use it, but I currently use Trade Locker. Yes. Only thing I don't like about Trade Locker is I got slipped the other day. My sell stop got slipped, and it got me in too early before price even hit that target. That pissed me off. But that's the only thing I came across for Trade Locker. So since I've been using it, I don't know if that was on the broker end or the Trade Locker end, but I got slipped somewhere. That GJ trade you sent last week was a banger. Bro, you was in the Discord last week or you just joined? That shit was a banger though. Where's that channel breakdowns? Oh yeah, at the bottom, if you scroll down to trading education, you see free signals, YouTube education, and Traderholic breakdowns. I sent all my breakdowns in here as well. I'm using instant funding. About to be honest, spreads are really horrible, even in raw account. Instant funding through who though? I be calling it straight bangers, but look at this banger. Look at this banger right here. So stop at the break of this low. This is so clean, bro. Break of this low. This was clean too. Breaking reaches to this channel. Oh, I'll be cooking up sometime. I ain't cooking up right now though. Look like I ain't cooking up right now. Cause what the fuck? Shit take it too long. Oh, I shared it on Lucas Discord. Shit, I don't even remember, bro. I be sharing my chart, so so many different places, bro. I don't even be knowing. Sometimes I don't send all my charts either. Sometimes I might send one on one server and two different ones on my server. Like I be getting confused, bro. Cause I be forgetting sometimes. It's too much. I be hella active in Lucas server though, to be honest.
Today Friday. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get out of the 1-to-1 here. We're gonna minimize it to a 1-to-1. I'm gonna actually mainly set the 1-to-1 because it's Friday. I don't need to catch a fucking 1-to-5 on a Friday, bro. I could catch a 1-to-1 on a Friday and just be cool with that because I'm already up on a week. I'm up 8%, so I don't need to catch a fucking 1-to-3, bro. You know what I'm saying? Up 8%, we could just need to maintain these profits. If I catch a 1-to-1, up 9%, I'm cool with that as well. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So we're gonna go for easy 1-to-1, bro. On a Friday, and that's it. I'm gonna mainly set this and go to sleep, boy. Mainly set this TP and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna either wake up at stop loss or wake up at TP, bro. That's how I like to do it. Especially with a red folder news at 10. Like, yeah, I don't need to be in that. No cap. I'm low-key so mad I missed this yesterday, bro. Like, this shit was so fire, bro. A 1-to-8, almost a 1-to-9. Actually hit a 1-to-9, actually. What the fuck? A 1-to-9, bro. And I missed this shit, bro. That's one thing I don't like about live trading sometimes. I be missing setups, bro. Because somebody new would come in the chat and ask a question. Then I'll be answering the question, like doing a visual representation, some shit like that. Then I come back and next thing you know, that's what happened yesterday, bro. I was explaining something on a different chart. And I came back to this one and I said, I missed my entry. Then next thing you know, that shit just, like, bro. If I wasn't live trading yesterday, I would have set a sell stop and went to sleep, bro. Now I woke up, profit. I wish I held. Nah, it's like when it comes to like Thursdays and Fridays, that's when I hold longer trades. Like I don't Thursdays and Fridays I don't mainly close. Like if I was in this GU, where we go? If I was in this GU on the lower time frames, the 5-minute, what I would have did was I would have just trailed stop loss below all of these higher lows. So after we clear this level, for my first, like this would be my like first overall target. After we clear this level, then price came down here, we created this low and lower high. I would have just went stop. Well, I probably would have got stopped out here. Well, actually not. That's not deep enough. But I would have just went from. I would have just been trailing my stop loss like this, a little below this, and above this high. Price broke down, came all the way down here. Price pulled back, rebroke lows. Once we rebroke lows, I'll trail a little below here. Then price came down here, rebroke these lows. Then I'll trail it below here. Then price came down here, created this high low, rebroke these lows. Then trailed down here. But no, I probably would have got stopped out up here though. Like it created this low, lower high, rebroke this low. Then I would have got out here and profit. This would have been a 1 to 2.8, almost 1-to-3. So still good. So I wouldn't held through the whole 1-to-8 either, to be honest. And 1-to-9. That shit ran though. That shit beautiful. Alright. 5-minute bullish close, 15-minute rejection wick to the downside. Let's look at this level here. Still want to maintain this. Let me stay above this. Wait, let's look. Wait, that's not the same level, was it? The hourly. Look at hourly. Look at hourly. Oh, we need an hourly candle to close above this level. That's what we need. Our candle need to close above here. I'm gonna head out though, bro. I'm finna go to sleep. We'll catch y'all boys Monday. Can you show us the trades you've taken this week? Damn, 8% is crazy. The trades I've taken this week, all in the Discord. Where's that? Alright, so here go one of the trades. This was... Wait, I lied. It's not this week. Let me check the date. Hold on. Alright, started the 23rd. I got too many servers to go through, bro. Hold on. I'll be sending my trades everywhere, bro. I'm in like 3 different trading servers that I'll be sending my setups in. Alright, so here was this. Sell stop on gold. Then 23rd was that Monday. Sell stop got activated. Then after the 23rd. No way, I skipped to the 29th. 23rd to 29th. 29th? No way. Let's check local server. Wait, what's this? Yesterday, 31st. What was the 31st? Tuesday. I'm taking so many steps, I don't even remember. Look at the sell stop on GU based on breaking retest, 15-minute market structure shifts, and I don't even remember if I took this or not. Oh yeah. I did. This was this right here. This was Tuesday, 31st. Tuesday, yeah. Oh, I took this as well. This was a fucking banger. This was gold. That was this right here. This trade right here is what made me all my money, to be honest. Pretty much. I'm gonna go to sleep though, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna update y'all on this Discord when I wake up about how this trade play out. Obviously, y'all gonna know how it play out because y'all might be watching it, y'all might be in it yourselves. But I'm closing. My TP is up here for about a 70 pip gain. I'm gonna wake up, stop loss of TP. Now look, I recommend. I have an alarm set on my phone for 9:45. 9:45. I have an alarm set on my phone. I like to wake up before news because we have a red for the nose at 10. I don't hold through news. So whatever happened in after news, hey, that ain't me. It ain't me, gang. You know what I'm saying? I don't hold through news. I always close my trade before news. I don't give a fuck about how much I'm in profit or how much I'm in drawdown. I'm closing that shit before news because news is too random. I don't need the stress of news weighing on my consciousness. Stay safe. You too, Joshua. Welcome to the stream, bro. That's my first time seeing you in here, I think. But so I'm waking up at 9:45 and close my trade, no matter where it's at, in profit or in drawdown. I'm closing that bitch before the news hit. But this is me personally what I'm doing. If I don't get taken out here at TP1 before news, I'm manually closing. But I'm wrapping up here. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out chat. Appreciate everybody stopping by the stream. Free Discord in the description, Instagram in the description as well. I do $25 giveaways inside the Discord based off my Instagram. But I'm gonna do one next week to start the week. But it's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out chat. Peace.